that you go straight here. I did remember that. I think it's the next turn up right where you turn. Where you go around. So cool. You need to shut up. Logger Loop. Yeah, they're all named and everything. Oh, it's left. Oh, yeah, right. Left first. Adult Center. Cool. Yep. But you can go around that way, too. So cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's really big. It's not like where my parents are at now. Oh, yeah. That's right. There's the... So this is the youth pool. Unless they changed it. Or no, maybe, no, wait, this might not be the right one. I was thinking that this was the... So, ooh, there's no water in the pool. Yeah, come up and say,
Yeah.
I'm confused about what pool this is. So, I'm confused now. Which pool is this?
This is the adult pool.
Okay, so I was wrong. It's the other pool.
It's the other pool?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just to let you know, everything's closed.
Yes.
But they're just now filling this.